Yeah, I'm kind of concentrating a little bit. Lots and lots of tiny little movements.
Yeah, very, very subtle. The aerial combat today isn't the threat flag because you're so much nearer to each other.
Takes a lot of stuff.
Oh, that's a lot of skill.
About 30 seconds out, the amount of base Bouchon will be taking place.
Confirmation, Roger. Juno report to traffic. Tower is active on a radio discretion.
Okay.
Oh, very good. The most south ground.
Individual Arco and behind that front of base.
Off he goes.
Hey.
Well, we can open the canopy against some friction then.
Yeah,
Well done.
lovely.
Waiting now when right to the glass off. Can't be the
Confirmation, Roger. Report final.
Will do.
And hopefully behind the glass as well.
Actually, well, I'm thinking now, I'm in a half with Bouchon again.
Bishop Hart, Roger.
Yeah, I thought the jet flight was good. Look how you left shoulder, you got 240.
Often about 2 quarters into America. Downwind for the heart.
Captain Roger, went ahead and report final for the Hart. Hotel Kilo 24, left under your discretion, centre westerly 11.
I think people today.
Been pretty well as in taking up the Spitfire, that's because of the narrow wheelbase.
Yeah, well, there's no worse on the tarmac. I mean, they're twitchy things.
I can imagine it.
The worst one is actually the Bouchon.
Yeah. Imagine you've got a really near the view of it here because it's happy.
Well, the gears are on, the brakes are good, the flaps are down. Very nice place. I've called down a fair bit.
Yeah, I'm feeling it right now, still. Isn't it?
Oh yeah. Bit of air conditioning to put the Rolls Royce. And I was in semi-finals for the glass, but again.
the APR 24 Golf, and your discussion servicing Westerly 11 knots.
Happy to think them to go off, indeed it.
That was brilliant, actually.
Well done, Howard. Good.
Well, thank you for that. What a fantastic.
Westerly Papa 24 left, land at your discretion, servicing Westerly 11 knots.
Oh, that's beautiful. Flipping out the old VC turn, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice, is that?
Does get warm though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So there you go. Formation well done. And a bit of Q40 in there as well.
Oh, good, yeah.
And you did as well.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to do too much of you before you were at top.
Yeah, I can see, yeah. God, it's hard for you to see, isn't it?
Oh yeah, no laugh. It's only, you know, 4 million quid worth of aeroplane. So I told you it'd be a bit closer to 600 yards.
Yeah, you were better than that, Christ. Could nearly touch the blooming thing.
Well done. Whatever you hoped it would be.
That was everything plus. That really was exciting. That's the best one of all the flights I've done that. So,
Well, I'm glad. I'm sorry we kind of rushed you into it. I thought, but if we didn't, we would be in this rain.
yeah, no, the weather dictates really, doesn't it?
Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure.
No,
We've made-
I'm really grateful, thank you.
No, it's not so.
I think it's a couple of fights in the tier medals.
Definitely.
Terrific. That was fucking fabulous, man.
Good.
Oh,
Going to creep the power up. We're going to say thank you, Marlon, for not missing a beat even though we were working really hard.
really grateful for the old girl. Yeah, she worked hard there.
And then we're going to turn the magnetos off. Watch the propeller stops turning. And mags off. Chocks in, please. Well done.
Thank you, my friend. That was absolutely brilliant.
Absolute pleasure.
Yeah, that was great.
We got him.
That was really special.
Yeah, right. We're going to turn it off. We can all go quiet. Johnny and the crew are going to come up the steps, alright?
Okay, that's fine. I've just got to be careful I don't bore everybody to death after.
Oh, you're not going to bore everyone to death. You're with friends there, alright? Alright, it's all coming off.
you can lose them up there easily, can't you? You know, and then when he's coming at you, oh Christ.
I know, it's closes me, but that's as real as we can make it.
Yeah, I can't imagine you making it any better than that, surely.
No, he didn't get up. He definitely didn't get up. Oh no, someone's broken it. Who broke it? Well done, Howard. Nicely
Oh,
played,
Matt,
nicely survived.
you were brilliant. Thank you very much for letting me fly as well. That was I really appreciate
I
that.
was trying to get you as much as I could before he fell.
Yeah.